think I got a strike. Amor? Amor o Trivali? The giant one. It came out, huh? Maybe Hamor. Morning guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today we are back here in Mangrove Village. We are going to have or do fishing again. Update time check is 6:40 in the morning, guys. And it's a little windy today, so I don't know if there is any fish or we are able to catch some fish today, guys. So we are walking towards our fishing spot right now. I saw some cars already here behind me, so there are some people that already ahead of me. We will check if we are able to catch something, guys. So I will update you again later on. So for now, stay tuned, guys. So guys, we are going to start throwing our bait. See if we are able to catch something, guys. Nothing so far. So guys, update. Right now I am doing live bait. Earlier I was doing casting, trying to catch the barracuda, but nobody strike. So I changed now. I'm using my ultralight Shimano Stratic 1000 and Blue Sniper 2.2 meters rod. So hopefully we are able to catch something, guys. So I will update you again once I get something.
Few moments later.
Strike. Tutulog lang pala. Strike, guys. We got a strike finally. Dapa. Itong dapa. Dapa, guys. Strike. Oh. guys, landed. Islang tapa. Malaki-laki ah. It's quite big. So we will remove. Guys, we got a strike finally. It's a flathead. So look, it's quite big. So we got it from our UL, guys. So we will remove it, then we will try to catch again. So stay tuned. The other guy got a strike. Amor? Amor or Trivali? The giant one. It came out, huh? Maybe Hamor. Stingray? It's been stuck for how many minutes? 10? 15? Ah, stingray. So guys, we are going home now. We only have one strike, that was a flathead, and we managed to land it, guys, but that was it. Nothing. Some of the anglers, they caught one big golden trevally. That's it for today, guys. I'm so sorry that I have no action to show you, but hopefully on my next adventure we are able to catch something and able to show you some good video. So thanks to all my subscribers for all the support, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe to my channel, like and share to your friends, and don't forget to hit the notification button, guys. So once again, thank you.